Hi, I'm Vamika Gabbi, and you're watching me on NDTV Swirlster. I'll just take everything. I mean, they all get clothes from the designers. I better rob a designer, no?
Are you a gold girl or a silver girl?
Wow, I never thought about that. I think I'm just a jewelry girl.
Oh.
You give me any kind of jewelry, I love it.
Okay. What is your personal sense of style?
Comfortable, but I can wear anything, but pair it up with some good Indian jewelry. I love doing that. I love like wearing a pantsuit, but wearing like Indian jewelry with it. I love that fusion a lot. Like I love an Indian touch on me, no matter what I'm wearing.
Okay. So we've got Raksha Bandhan and Diwali also coming up later. So what will be your picks?
I think I would love like a nice kurti with jeans, big earrings, open hair.
Easy breezy. And for Diwali?
For Diwali, so Diwali is one of the biggest festivals of India. I'd like to style myself in the best possible way, even if I'm not going anywhere. I am wearing a nice anarkali and with big jewelry and sitting at home.
What are the 3 beauty products you're swearing by currently?
I think sunscreen is very important. I didn't know that for the most of my life. But yeah, I always carry a sunscreen, a lip balm, and a tint because it can go everywhere.
Yeah, multitasking
Yeah.
for sure. What is the one color that is like an absolute essential in your closet? You could code your entire closet in it.
White.
One thing we don't know about you yet.
The lineup that I have for next year.
Lovely.
That's going to be a surprise.
Okay, if there's one thing that you could steal from any celebrity's closet, and what would it be?
My goodness. I think it'll be Abujani, Sandeep Khosla and all their clothes.
Yeah, no
I'll just take everything. I mean, they all get clothes from the designers. I better rob a designer, no?
Right.
Isn't that better?
Yeah, I mean, all the more yes. A guilty pleasure of yours?
I still play games on my phone.
Oh, yeah, we're all guilty.
Yeah.
What is the one piece of clothing that you're wearing over and over again?
My white suit. I have some 3-4 and I keep wearing them and I keep getting more white suits and they're just plain white suits. That is something that I just can't get enough of.
Yeah, you can do so much with that.
Yeah.
So would you go for a maximal or a minimal makeup look?
Minimal. Even for the show, they told me that, okay, you're not going to tell them how to do makeup because, ramp walk makeup is different. So, because of the lights and everything. Otherwise, even in my films, my makeup is minimal. So, like even for my meetings, when I go, I don't put makeup. I just put those tint and lip balm. Like, yeah, that's
Tints
how
are
I
a real thing.
Hi, we are Abu Sandeep.
On NTV Swirlster.
What was all the inspiration behind this lovely collection that had all of India wrapped into one?
So actually, our love for India is phenomenal. It's been unparalleled. Our inspiration's always been India, whether it's
And it's like a muse.
whether it's always about India. And we are so India proud, basically. And working with craft is so important for us. It's always been.
Yeah, and how we'd like to know how Vamika and Taha were the perfect muses for you.
So we are showing young collection for younger people, So they were just right to fit the bill in such a way. Young talent, very, very talented, both of them. And so they carried the collection superbly.
What would you like to tell us a little more about, the showstopper outfits? They're lovely. In fact, they're really good.
So actually, her first one was a white bride, and now she came out as a traditional bride. Vamika is the star of this wonderful show called Jubilee. I'm sure everybody's watched it. And Taha from Hera Mandi. And they were both ready for experiment. They were not scared. They were unafraid. On his harmony, he's wearing a sari, and men can wear it with his huge turkey Russian diamonds. He's getting it. She's wearing a traditional bridal attire, and the gota, the rosy, so everything. highly detailed, and you see her headpiece is fantastic. Especially made for her. Especially designed. The fabrics are Georgette.
That white ivory bridal lehenga, it was just beautiful. I can't believe that my first walk was for Abujani Sangeet Khosla, and they've been so kind, so beautiful as their clothes, and I'm so thankful. It was literally like a dream. Like when I walked with that dress, it was beautiful. I just hope everybody would buy the ivory lehenga and feel that way. It was that beautiful.
What about you, Tala?
I'm very scared. I didn't want to disappoint these two incredible geniuses right here. And like Bhumika said, it's my first as well, and it's truly, we've looked up to these iconic, illustrious individuals who have redefined the fashion industry. And for actors like us to be dressed up like this is truly something phenomenal. So, I'm very, very grateful, sir, for this opportunity. Thank you very much.